Welcome back to this video. If you lost money in Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to report to Alipay app in order to recover your money in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay app. Then after opening up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon from the top. The next thing you need to do is to go to account and security. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to security center. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on lost account. Then you'll be taken right here. Now, by default, your Alipay account phone number or your mail is going to be linked right here automatically, because that is when Alipay will get back to you as far as any information is concerned. Then right here, for better service, please select your reason for reporting account loss. Right here, it might be phone loss. So if it is a phone loss, make sure you tick this. Then if it is no money loss, click on this. If it is other risk, maybe somebody hacked your Alipay account, click on other risk. Once you click on any of the issue you have right here, so make sure you click on slide right for verify and simply click on report now. It's that simple. Once you report, Alipay is going to get back to you with your mail right here. And with that, the problem is going to be resolved. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.